Your large set of codes and these things, you won't be running it from here. It is like good for interpreted kind of thing, like you have to run one by one anything or line by line anything. You can definitely go ahead and you do with that. But you should need some environment where you can run the code, where you can do the things and stuff. Now there are a couple of IDEs, there are a couple of Python itself provided as the couple of IDEs or environment where you can go and you can run it. The one is the Anaconda. So Anaconda is the one of the Anaconda Navigator, which basically gives you list of tools or list of IDEs through which you can run or through which you can launch that IDEs and you can run the Python. Industry, mostly people prefer to go ahead with Visual Studio only because people are familiar with Visual Studio UI and these things. So what you can do that you can extend, you can like from your Visual Studio there is a plugin. Just if you search for that Python plugin, and you can run Python codes in your Visual Studio also. I myself prefer PyCharm IDE. This looks like similar to Eclipse. This is known as PyCharm, PyCharm. So it looks like similar to Eclipse. So I prefer PyCharm for my development purpose and these things. As you work in Eclipse or Visual Studio, so it is similarly provided by Python. You can download this also. Now, apart from that, you can install plugin in Eclipse and you can use that. You can use IntelliJ. This is one of the IntelliJ. These are some of the companies are using IntelliJ for Java and these also. In fact, you can run Python codes also here. So there are a lot of IDEs and it is completely your choice or your company choice, whatever they are preferring. It's not like that, okay, any of them has whatever there are differences between the UI, there are differences between the features of that particular software or that particular tool, but there is no such difference with respect to the running your code and execute or getting the output. This is Anaconda Navigator here. So if you install this Anaconda, like you have to go to anaconda.org. You will go to anaconda.com/download and you can install it. And then you can check that by using the Conda -v version that whether it has been installed or not. But once you have installed it, you will get this Anaconda Navigator. And from here, you can install your Jupyter Notebook or you can install your Jupyter Lab. I'll tell you what are these, or Visual Studio or Spider, and other things are also there. So this is basically a kind of, you can say that the different set of tools are being provided in it.